I am a pastry chef. Baking, for me, has always been more than just a profession. It's a way of communicating, a tangible expression of care that transcends words. It's about transforming simple ingredients, flour, sugar, butter, eggs into something that can bring a moment of joy, comfort, or celebration to someone's day. I believe that a freshly baked croissant, a perfectly piped McLaurin, or a simple slice of cake can be a small but profound act of kindness. It's a way of saying, I'm thinking of you, congratulations, or even just, I hope this makes your day a little brighter. In a world that often feels rushed and impersonal, taking the time to create something beautiful and delicious by hand feels like a quiet rebellion, a gentle insistence on slowing down and savoring the moment. The process begins in the quiet hours of the early morning, long before the city awakens. The kitchen is my sanctuary, a space where precision meets passion. The air hangs thick with the sweet promise of sugar and vanilla. It starts with the meticulous weighing of ingredients, a ritual that demands focus and respect for the craft. Every gram matters. Too much flour and the cake becomes dense. Too little sugar and the sweetness is lost. It's a delicate balance, a science that I have spent years mastering, yet it still feels like magic every single time. The gentle hum of the mixer, the rhythmic kneading of dough against a cool marble slab, the careful folding of delicate batter, these are the sounds that compose the symphony of my work. Creating pastries is an art form that engages all the senses. It's the visual appeal of a glossy chocolate glaze, the intricate lattice of a fruit tart, or the vibrant colors of a display of petit fours. It's the irresistible aroma of almond croissants baking in the oven, a scent that can instantly transport you back to a cherished memory or a Parisian cafe. It's the textural contrast of a crisp, caramelized sugar crust giving way to a velvety custard beneath, or the light hazer flakiness of a millefeuille. Each element is deliberately chosen and thoughtfully executed to create a holistic experience. My goal is not just to make something that tastes good, but to craft a memory, to create a moment of pure, unadulterated pleasure for the person who will eventually enjoy it. The connection with the people I bake for is the true heart of my work. I see the smiles on faces as they peer into the pastry case, the look of anticipation in a child's eyes as they choose their special treat. I hear the stories behind the orders, the wedding cakes that will stand as a centerpiece for a new beginning, the birthday cakes that mark another year of life and love, the simple box of cookies bought as a gesture of gratitude. These moments are what give my labor its meaning. A customer once told me that a slice of my lemon tart reminded her of a dessert her grandmother used to make, and for a fleeting moment, she felt connected to her again. It is in these shared human experiences, these small connections forged over a shared love of something sweet, that I find my greatest fulfillment. I am a pastry chef, and this is my story.